Jeff Riggs here with the sounds of summer. Lawnmowers in the background, the lake out in front of us, and the sounds you don't want to hear, your boat not starting. Let me show you what Kanga 500 can do for your boating season. We removed the original battery and replaced it with a defective battery to show you how the Kanga 500 will start a 350 cubic inch 345 horsepower engine even with a battery as low as 8 volts or even lower. So here we go. For starters, let me show you the engine. We're going to start a 350 cubic inch Monsoon 345 horsepower in a Malibu 2014 TXI. So now the simple method to start it. First, we'll flip on the engine, turn the key. Not a thing. Flip the key again. Oh, we heard almost a little click there. Nothing. So we take the Kanga out of the positive, onto the negative. Let the unit charge up. Typically about 1 minute to charge. When it's ready to use, such as it is now, you press start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the Kanga fires over even a 350 Monsoon 345 horsepower engine. Oz charge. Time for a recharge. Jeff Riggs, General Manager, Oz Charge North America.